Hey guys, this is Jamal with gospelmusicians.com, and we're coming at you. And you guys have been asking me for these E-drums. Can you connect gospel drummer to the E-drums? Yes. And I know my man over there, Vincent Alexander of VA Music Ministries. He's been a partner. You've seen some of his videos that he did for us with the gospel organ. Well, he has an E-drum set, so I asked him to set it up, and one of his partners came down. I haven't met this guy yet, but it's Caleb Wharton, and he is doing some good stuff with the drums. And so here we go, gospelmusicians.com with the user spotlight, featuring Caleb Wharton. I'll put his information down there, whatever, Instagram or whatever, his YouTube. So shout out to Vincent. And here we go. This is how you set it. Basically, I asked him, was the setup hard? And he said, absolutely not. I was like, why not? He said, because all I had to do was literally plug it up and everything was there. So we have the general MIDI mapping. All you have to do with your drums is plug them up. Now, maybe you want different cymbals and stuff like that, but it's general MIDI mapping. You plug it up and you're ready to go. Gospel musicians coming at you with the E-drums spotlight coming.